Here's an Android phone, and let's say I want to use Google Maps, that one, and I don't have location info because I am inside the house, and I don't have internet either because in this location there is no internet. So how to go from point A to point B without location and without internet? First of all, zoom into where you want to go. Let's say there. Long tap on the road that adds a point. Now tap on directions down here. And now here to the first field, instead of your location, the second one, choose on map. Okay, and now if I move the map, notice that location thing stays in the middle. Zoom out, and let's say I want to start from somewhere there. You can zoom in also. And here's the OK button in the corner. And now we define the first point by moving it with our fingers, and we define the second point by long tapping. Okay, and tap on the start button, and when I go outside, then I will have the opportunity to use a location. I will not have internet, so I cannot use that one, only that one. I have to wait outside and let the phone find me, and then it will guide me. So once again, define your destination by long tapping, like so, directions, and at your location, choose on map. And that is done by moving the map instead of moving the dot in the center. And there's the OK button. And start.